Hello, everybody. Yes, it is me again, here to teach you another lesson about systems of equations. No, 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 no. I thought we talked about it. It was my turn to teach. No, that was another Mr. Weitzman that taught yesterday. No, that's just an imagination. I am the Mr. Weitzman. Right, guys? Hey, before you start popping a blood vessel, why don't you go sit in your chair and let me explain your job? Now, let me explain how to do a systems of equations graphing. All right, guys, so here we are. We're going to go to graph, okay? So we're at menu, we're going to hit this graph key, okay? We're going to hit graph, okay? Now, you see in our problem, we have two lines. We're going to type them straight into the calculator. So negative 4x, this key right here, minus 1, okay? We hit the x key, the exe key. Now we do x plus 4, okay? And then we hit the exe key. And then we're going to draw the graph. Now you notice we can't see the intersection point, so this is where we have to play with our window. Shift, F3, F3. All right, we hit exit, and we see it. That looks like a good intersection. Now, you see right here, this button right here, G-solve, we're going to hit Shift, F5. That allows us to see G-solve. And look at all we got, root, max, min, y-intercept. We're going to get this guy, ISCT. We're going to hit F5 for that. And let's see. And there is our intersection point. So over here on our graph, we are going to label that on our graph here at -1, 3. And that is the intersection point. Now, how do we graph the rest of the line? Well, the rest of the line is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We're going to label this guy purple. And what's the y-intercept for that line? Correct, it is -1. And then you connect the dots. You don't have to do more than that, guys. Obviously, you make your line better than me. Okay. Let's do the other line. What is the y-intercept of this line right here? 4, correct. Dot your 4, and then connect your dots. And as always, put your arrows and the name, which is y equals x plus 4. And the other equation, which I forgot to do, that line is y equals -4 x minus 1. Okay? So again, to get this point right here, we have to use Shift F5, F5 from the graph. Now, does anyone have any questions for me? Yeah, I'll get off the screen, but as long as you bring the side dishes for tomorrow for Thanksgiving. All right. Well, guys, have a happy Thanksgiving if he doesn't tell you it, because I know he's a jerk, your teacher.